How did Congressional Reconstruction nullify black codes? Imagine a time when newly freed African Americans faced laws that tried to keep them second-class citizens. These were the Black Codes, laws that Southern states created after the Civil War to limit black people's rights. They stopped them from owning property, moving freely, getting certain jobs, or voting. These laws aimed to keep a social order similar to slavery, which made many in the North furious. Congressional Reconstruction was the response to these unfair laws. Led by radical Republicans who wanted real change, Congress took strong steps to protect black Americans. The first big move was the Civil Rights Act of 1866. This law declared that anyone born in the United States, except Native Americans not taxed, was a citizen with equal rights. It gave federal officials the power to stop discriminatory laws like the Black Codes. Even though President Andrew Johnson vetoed it, Congress overruled him, showing they meant business. Next came the 14th Amendment in 1868. This constitutional change made everyone born in the United States a citizen and promised equal protection under the law. It directly challenged black codes because it said states could not deny civil rights or privileges to any citizen. Southern states had to ratify this amendment to rejoin the Union, which meant they had to agree to treat black people fairly. Congress also passed the Military Reconstruction Acts in 1867. These laws divided the South into military districts, placing them under federal control. The military protected black Americans from black codes and made sure states followed the new laws. If a state tried to keep black codes, the military could dissolve its government and requiring a new constitution that guaranteed civil rights. The 15th Amendment in 1870 was another key step. It said states could not deny the right to vote based on race, color, or whether someone was a former slave. This made it harder for black Americans to be disenfranchised through poll taxes or literacy tests, which black codes often used to block voting. Finally, Congress expanded the powers of the Freedmen's Bureau. This agency helped freed slaves find jobs, get an education, and protect their legal rights. It acted as a shield against black codes, making sure black Americans could enjoy their new freedoms. All these laws and amendments worked together to nullify black codes. They made federal law supreme over state laws that tried to restrict black rights. These efforts changed the legal landscape of the South, giving African Americans new protections and a chance at equal rights. Although enforcement was sometimes uneven and met with resistance, this period of Reconstruction was a major push toward equality. It was a time when the federal government took a stand to protect the rights of newly freed black Americans, even if the fight was far from over.